average, a burglary in the United States happens once every 30 seconds, according to the FBI. That means that by the time I'm done reading this introduction, more than 6 homes will have been broken into by the end of this segment. But luckily, there are some quick and easy and affordable ways you can protect your home. Here to show us how, our friend Skip Bedell, who's at his house. And Skip, something like 85% of the people who want to steal stuff out of your house or do something in your house go through the front door.
That's right, Steve. They come in through the front door with just a couple of kicks, and they're in seconds. So most front doors have only 2 steel plates that protect us from getting in. And what I'm going to show you right now is a system called Door Armor that basically replaces those 2 small plates with a 48-inch piece of steel. We can roll the video, show how to install that.
That's a good idea.
It goes onto the door. Yeah, it goes onto the door very easily in under 30 minutes to install. It covers the door jamb, also the hinges. We have a sheriff's department that actually tried to breach this door with a 2-man battering ram. Steve, they beat on the door for 20 minutes and actually broke the handle off the battering ram and could not get through. So this system, again, goes onto your door in about only 30 minutes. It's very easy to install. It covers the door frame.
What's it called again? Because people are going to be buying that left and right today.
Yeah, this is Door Armor. It's an amazing system. I have links for it on my website.
Okay.
It'll cover the door frame. It covers the hinges with hinge plates. It also covers the door locks itself. It makes the door very strong. Makes it impossible to kick the door in, Steve. So that's a really super system. That works in conjunction and complements your deadbolt. You have to have a good quality deadbolt. As a contractor, I've been installing Baldwin for years. It's what I have in my own home. They make a very high quality deadbolt. This is their touchscreen system.
Right.
It has a digital keypad or key, comes in 17 different finishes.
Handy.
Really nice one-touch locking. So this is a great way that you can secure your home very easily. You can make this smart or not. It's up to you. Again, many finishes and easy to install, only minutes with a screwdriver. So a great quality lock from Baldwin. And Steve, most important, you got to have a good home security system. Simplisafe gets delivered directly to your home. It's all DIY install in about 30 minutes. You can put the whole system in. What I love about it is that it works very simply. It's only about 50 cents a day to have 24/7 monitoring on this, Steve. Comes with a base station, keypad, motion sensors, cameras, everything you need. And again, you can install the whole thing yourself. There's no holes, no wires, there's no drilling. Right. It's very, very easy to install. What's great is even if you have an apartment, Steve, because there's no holes or wires, when you move to a different place, you can take the system with you. So this is what I have in my own home. I've had it for about 7 years, and I absolutely love it. Right. Allison and I installed this whole system in about 30 minutes. So I highly recommend Simplisafe. They ship it right to your door. You install it yourself. No holes, no wires, no tools.
It's fantastic. I've looked at their website, and I've looked at the other websites as well. There are many different choices. Some are a la carte, where do you just want the doorbell camera? Do you just want this or that? Yes. What does the average house need?
So it comes with a whole package, which is under $500. It's very affordable. It gives you the base station keypad, everything you see here, all the things that you need, and then you can order extra things. Steve, one of the things I love the most about this is they give you panic buttons. It has a double-sided tape back. You can put this anywhere. So you could be in the shower, in your bed, the most vulnerable places. I stick these on the side of my nightstand, on the shower vanity, everywhere around the house. If you hit this button, it gives you instant access to the station.
Oh, that's
and also
cool.
Calls the police. Yeah, it's very different, very great idea. So Simplisafe, definitely the way to go. Affordable, only 50 cents a day.
Can't beat that. All right, if you'd like more information, go to skipbedell.com. Skip, thank you very much for lighting up the living room and showing us your front door. All right, have a good weekend.
Thanks, Steve.